Ooh. Yo, what up, y'all boys and girls? We back on the charts, back on MNQ. You know what I'm saying? Um, Yesterday took a little. It was unfortunate, but nobody wins all the time, so it's straight. But hopefully we gonna take that back and make some more today. So let's see. First thing I realized is we're finally out of all time highs, which is great in my opinion. Um, Looks like we're coming to take out yesterday's low. I think. That's what it's looking like. So I want to catch some on the way there. We got this 4 hour bearish for Valley Gap that was looking like we're respecting. So um, notice that. We also got this we got this 4 hour low right here as well that we can come out and take. Honestly, see us pushing down. I see us pushing down this far, in my opinion. So I'll probably target that. Yeah, definitely will target that. So let's just see if we can get us a good entry to go into that. Y'all know how I trade. So let's see. Let's see. Already looking, I can see we got a bearish for Valley Gap that was made right here. And we also have equilibrium. See where that's at. So right around this area would be a good place to go for sells. So we can target the downside. Made a long wick though. I don't know if I like that, but probably planning to sell off once we get up in here. Honestly, yeah, I think that's the play for me. If we get up in here, I go for sell. Excuse me. Are we only gonna wick? I'm not gonna go a little bit higher. Looks like it. Might not get up all the way here. I think next time we trace back into this rally gap, we're going to dump. If we don't dump after this. And if we get a break right here, I think I'd be willing to go for sales with a stop loss right here, targeting this low. But this is yesterday's low though, so I think we're gonna go a little bit beneath that. Just waiting for price to get up higher though. I don't know if this thing's gonna go up. Like hello? But yeah, I think we lost the momentum. Ooh, maybe not.
Order
Yeah,
filled.
they lost the momentum. Alright, so sheesh. Holy. It's risking my whole account. I think I want to move this to this. No, we're gonna keep it. That wasn't the best entry, I'm gonna be real. But I think it would get the job done. Making these long buying wicks, which is pretty good. I don't think I should leverage so much. I should have stuck to my usual five. It's because I went in with eight, that's why. Normally I would just go with the five, but I think we're making a breaker block. Low, high, lower, low. If we make another high that go past this point, it's GG's. Further sales. Can't lie. Oh, I'm gonna just close my position. Yo. I'm gonna just close my position. I really should have waited till I got a better entry though. That's probably why I'm stressing so much. But I can't really let that dictate my um can't let my emotions get to me. Cause I mean what's happening is happening. But that was a little bit of a FOMO entry right there. Can't even I gotta be honest. Gotta be honest. Let me see what time we had news. Or when we have news actually. Cause I didn't even we have news at 10. But it's like orange folder news. But it's just like still, you know. Oh, and we got a 5 minute for Valley Gap. Sheesh. Sheesh, sheesh, sheesh. Oh yeah. It might be deep fried. If we can break past this, hallelujah, man. I just don't see why price would at least go past this Fair Valley Gap though. Man, it must be something I'm missing because we do got a 5 minute Fair Valley Gap that was made right here that we could be willing to fill and then go lower, which I should have waited for. Honestly, that's what I should have waited for. Instead of getting in when I did. I kind of want to just get out the trade with break even next time it comes down here. Because and be getting a better entry. Because, I mean, I feel as though it'll go down, but I'm not, if I'm being honest, I'm not too confident in this trade. I'm probably like about like 50% on this trade. Not even, probably like 45 because of this right here. And because of the amount I went in with, that's kind of what's messing me up too. I should have went in with less. It stuck to my rules. You don't stick to your rules. This is what happened. It is, what would suck though? If I get out with break even and it just plummets. Like that's the stuff that be hurting, yo. Cause it's like, dang, like I could have had it, but I just got out too early. But can we get a break, please? Cause like I could really, you know what I would do? I would break even here, and then since price is doing this, whatever the hell this is, wait till it goes back up, and just get my better entry. But I don't know if price is ever gonna do that. Oh, dang, I missed it. Oh, like this price, it looks like price want to drop. Like, are we gonna drop? Literally wicking at the middle part of this. I mean, at the number one for the equilibrium. It's like, yo. I mean, we're making us. If you look at this, we're making a slope like this going down. Well, we were, but it seemed like price got other plans. It looks like we're about to consolidate. I kind of don't want to be in this trade if I'm being honest. I'd rather miss the move on the day. I'll tell you when I get confident in this trade. I get confident in this trade if we break past this point right here. Maybe when we hit the macro, we'll finally be able to get some of that pressure to go down. But I wouldn't know. Looks like we wicked at it. Now we just need to go below it. Thank God. Thank God. Now can we just please go down? Yeah, we just go down lower, yo. Holy. Let me see where this 4 hour for value gap is. From here to here. We should already be getting at closures soon. In about like 10 minutes. And then I think that will give us the push to go down lower. Hopefully, once we close beneath this 4 hour for value gap. That is the hopes and dreams. I'm just glad we're getting this push. If we hit here, I'll start moving price to break even and stop profit and whatnot. I'm just go ahead and take a screenshot of this real quick. Oh, that one was stressful, y'all boys. Not gonna lie, I'm glad I held that. Well, let me not say that yet because we didn't even make money yet, but I'm just glad we broke out of that zone. I did not like that consolidation for too long. That was probably the quickest we ever gotten into a trade, though. I think it was like 17 minutes in, or like a couple minutes in. As soon as I started recording, I got into a trade, which I've never did before. But I mean, to be fair, it wasn't a good entry, so can't really be like yippee over that. Got 10 more minutes to the 10 o'clock candle hits. Um, just waiting to see that happen. Thank God. Thank God. Now let's see us get a break past all time lows and go down to this 4 hour lows. Please. I beg. Actually, let me go ahead and de-risk from now. So I'm only losing $40. $36 if I lose. I break even just de-risking. I'm looking to see if this is a small retracement to go down lower. To go lower. I don't like this strong. I don't want a strong retracement though. I just kind of want like a weak one. Like, a little baby green candle with a wick. Break past this, please. You see all time. Well, not all time. I keep saying that. You see daily lows right here. Let's go to the daily lows. Like, where are y'all trying to retrace to? Where are y'all retracing to? Now, this is where you should come down lower. It's right here. 124? Okay. Yo, this is where you should be coming down lower. You're in a 1 minute fair value gap. And you're kind of past equilibrium. So, you know. You know. Let's just kind of let's just calm that down a little bit. I like that wick. I like how you moved on for that wick. So let's wait, what is this right here? Might even just take that, yo. Um, okay, now let's go ahead and let's come down lower between this, but below this point. Let's call it a day. See, we're wicking off of this fair value gap. That's great. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna be angry at that, but I just need you to go past and respect it. Just keep moving along your way. Like, you know what I'm saying? Go say hi and then come back down. We do got news in 5 minutes though. But it's like orange folder news. High key. So I'm gonna go ahead here is move this to about like right here. Basically break even, if you want to call it that. Cause if we're in news, I don't want to. Now I'm in a risk free trade, but I don't want to. I know I might be doing it a little bit early, but that's because the orange folder news in 4 minutes. I'm kind of wary of the new home sales. So I'm thinking if I should just get out now before news hits. Honestly, honestly, but that's why I moved it to. Well, it's I'm not gonna lose money this trade, so I'm not gonna really trip. But secure profits at $300. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So it's kind of like I like how we're wicking off of this fair value gap though. Like it's making me believe that price wants to respect it and then keep going down. We're also lingering around this equilibrium level. How much is this right here? Okay. I just really expect us to take yesterday's low. Like we wicked it. Never took it though. We wicked it. It's kind of what I was applying for. Unless, dang, there was another low right here I could have took. No, that's not a low. I'm tripping. It's not a low. But still, probably could have went from relatively equal lows. That was the case. But this trade is edging the hell out of me. I might just take my 325 and go. If I'm being real. Oh yeah. Let's see what happens. Just freaking news about it. And we in this other what's the word? Bearish for value gap. 5 minute bearish for value gap. Oh, news just dropped. I didn't even peep. Alright, let's see what happens. I put my stop a little bit above this 5 minute bearish for rally gap because if this one gets respected, hopefully this 5 minute one gets respected and will continue to push down lower. If not, it's straight. You know what I'm saying? I'm not really gonna trip about making $8. Like I didn't lose money. I just made money. If anything, it's not a lot, but it's a risk-free trade, so I'm not gonna really be tripping about it. Mm. Trying to figure out why we ended up wicking there. Like, I think there was something I missed. Is this a 30-minute low? Hold on. Do I gotta add that to my bag? No, I don't even think we got close to it, but we ain't really sweep it. Mmm. 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 I like this. I really like this. I really like this. I don't like that. I really don't like that. We still good. Whoa.
Order filled.
Yo! Oh my goodness. Yo! What was. Oh my gosh. If I wasn't sitting here, bro, I wouldn't even believe it. Are we serious? Yo, 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 yo. Oh my. Holy. So, I stopped out, as y'all can see. I didn't even, but it wicked. It didn't even count me as stopped out at first. Like, that's how fast it was. All right. Um, let's see if we can get something else, I guess. Like, yo, I can't even describe that, bro. We started launching. I wonder if we're going to this high right here. Market open high. Should be kind of insane, I'm not gonna lie. Let's mark this out. There's a white line. I think we're gonna go there. I think we might go there. Let's see. Oh, let's actually de-risk while I'm at it. Because that was kind of scary. Not gonna lie. Man, bro, what was that? Are we gonna disrespect this Bears for Belly yet? Like, let me know, bro. Let me know. Are we disrespecting this? Cause shoot, I mean, at this point, hey, bro, might as well. Might as well. stopped out all the people that was in these buys and just shot up out of nowhere. I just don't get it though, cause we actually that would make sense. On a hard time frame, that would make sense. I mean, I wouldn't mind taking a trade off of this Bears for value gap, but like, holy, let's see if we can come up a little bit higher, cause I'm still kind of like shaken up by this candle of despair that just wakes me out before I can even notice what happened. Like, give me a chance to breathe, bro. Give me a chance to like recognize what's going on. Yeah, bro, they got it. They honestly, they got it. They got it. Ooh, excuse me. This is a bullish for Valley Gap. What am I talking about? Oh, it is a bullish for. I knew that. I knew that. I knew that. I knew that. I already knew that, bro. I knew that. I knew that. Like, what is going on here? What is going on here? How's ES moving? Let's see. Sheesh. ES not even on that kind of timing. It's not even my strat for real. My strat normally is just wait for a breaking structure on the 5 minute and then catch some on the 1 minute. But since we're getting the breaking structure so early, I can't really I'm not even paying attention to what's going on down there. I'm just looking. Really just looking. Dang, imagine if I got in right here when we tapped into it. So tragic. Yeah, I don't know, y'all. I kind of want to go back in for shorts up here, but it's just like these candles are straight consolidation, bro. Not consolidation. I mean, not well. Yeah, we're making higher highs and then lower highs and then lower lows and all that bajumbo gumbo. I mean, we're disrespecting this fair value gap twice now, so it's kind of like, you know what I'm saying. I'm be mad if you come down and take out my thing though. That's what I'll be heated for. Don't do that. Hey, hey, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. I might just honestly log out because I see my entry model pop up. Look, now we doing that same thing we was doing before and over here. I thought once we got this break, I was straight. But I guess I might have still thought wrong. Bro, what are we like? Like, what are we honestly doing? Like, what are we doing? Please just tell me what we're doing. You're making 4 candles and then you're waking back up. You're making people think that you got buying selling pressure, but you don't. Honestly, what are you doing? Explain it to me. What is it that you're doing? Like, do you want to go lower, or are you gonna just wick and come back up? Like, yo, actually disgusting. This is actually disgusting. What news we got tomorrow? Red Fooder news. I like. I like. PCE news Friday. I like. I like. Yeah, honestly, I might just hop off. If I'm being real, because once price start moving like this, I'm already knowing what it's about to be. Let me see what the PM session was looking like yesterday. What was that PM session looking like? Dang, we ended up taking this. That's crazy. And this too. Jeez. All right, let's focus. Let's focus. Let's focus. That's not what y'all here to see. Let's focus. I don't know, y'all. It's a whole bunch of mumbo jumbo. Ain't really nothing to. I mean, we're disrespecting this Fair Valley gap, Bears Fair Valley gap, a whole bunch of times, and then coming back into it. Honestly, I think I might be done for the day. These shorts was nice. It's just I think maybe it's my TP that sold me. Honestly, cause I can see you got like relatively equal lows right here. You got a low that didn't sweep this low, and another one. So I could have just had put it right here. You know what I'm saying? But it's straight, bro. You live and you learn. Um, I just don't know if I want to trade while the market's like this right now. Oh, damn, bro. It's already 41 minutes. Sheesh. And I kind of got in at like a FOMO point right here. If I got in at a good entry, like up there, I probably would have secured my profits way earlier. Way, way earlier. So that was also on me. So learn my mistakes, learn what I went wrong with. Honestly, if I take something later, I'll record it, show y'all, and whatnot. But besides that, um, that's it. Not gonna lie. Mm, mm-mm, mm-mm. Not gonna forget that for Valley Gap. Yeah, this is just gonna be a straight chop session. Nothing happening on the 5 minute. I mean, 3 minute. Nothing happening on 5 minute. Sheesh. Mm, mm. Gotta make sure I get my gym clothes. Go to the gym today. So, you know what I'm saying? P&L still looking sheesh, bro. Telling you that very first like First 2 weeks was killing me, bro. Luckily, was able to come back on top third week, but I mean, we still got a positive monthly P&L. I guess these trades kind of boosted me, but I mean, you can see I still got good risk though. My risk is still great. I don't. I'm not gonna ever say it's not. Still feel as though my risk is great. We have this 15-minute bearish for rally gap. So tired, bro. I'm tired of getting used and abused by NQ. Tired of it. I don't know why we didn't deliver to daily lows. Yesterday's daily low. It's kind of upsetting. I feel like we're definitely gonna take it at some point though. I just don't know when we're gonna take that. Honestly, I don't know when we're gonna take that. We might very well just trail into here and then just come back down to take it. Or we might be looking to take market open candle. But honestly, I don't know. I think I'm gonna just end it here. If I end up taking something later, or if I end up seeing a setup later, I record it and show. If not, that's gonna be it for me, y'all boys and girls. Hope y'all have a great day. Remember, all glory to God, no matter what the decision, no matter what the outcome is. Always give your glory to God. And yeah, peace.